Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Correct answer is option C, President. When is Army Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is option D, 15 January. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which regiment is known as the bravest of the brave? Correct answer is option B, Gorkha Regiment. Which operation was launched during the Kargil War? Correct answer is option B, Operation Vijay. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Correct answer is option A, Paramveer Chakra. Which year did the Kargil War take place? Correct answer is option C, 1999. Who was the first Chief of Defence Staff of India? Correct answer is option B, General Bipin Rawat. Where is the Indian Military Academy located? Correct answer is option C, Dehradun. What is the motto of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option A, Siva Paramo Dharma. Who was the first Field Marshal of India? Correct answer is option C, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. Which Indian parliamentary force is primarily responsible for guarding the India-Pakistan border? Correct answer is option C, Border Security Force. Which force is primarily responsible for maintaining internal security in India? Correct answer is option C, Central Reserve Police Force. Which river is also known as the lifeline of Ladakh? Correct answer is option B, Indus River. Who appoints the Chief of Army Staff in India? Correct answer is option B, President of India. Which war is also known as the Third Indo-Pak War? Correct answer is option C, Indo-Pak War of 1971. What is the rank of the Chief of Army Staff in India? Correct answer is option A, General. Which award is given for peacetime bravery in India? Correct answer is option B, Ashoka Chakra. In which year was the Indian Army officially founded? Correct answer is option C, 1895. Which operation was launched by India in the Maldives in 1988? Correct answer is option C, Operation Cactus. What does INSAS stand for? Correct answer is option D, Indian National Small Arms System. Which Indian president served in the Indian Army during World War I with the Ambulance Corps? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the Chief of Army Staff of India during the 1971 Indo-Pak War? Correct answer is option C, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. What is the name of the mountain range where the Siachen Glacier is located? Correct answer is option C, Karakoram Range. What is the rank below lieutenant in the Indian Army? Correct answer is option D. There is no rank below lieutenant. The Agni series of missiles developed by India are classified as. Correct answer is option C. Ballistic missiles. Which commando force is a part of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option D. Para SF. Which Indian Army regiment uses the battle cry Bol Se Nahal? Correct answer is option C. Sikh regiment. The line of actual control separates India from which country? Correct answer is option C. China. Who had the National Defense Academy? Correct answer is option D. Commandant Lieutenant General rank officer. Where is the Officer Training Academy located? Correct answer is option B. Chennai and Gaya. Which Indian force is involved in the United Nations peacekeeping mission? Correct answer is option B. Indian Army. What is the name of India Mountain Strike Corps? Correct answer is option D. Who is known as the father of the Indian Army? Correct answer is option C. Major Stringer Lawrence. What is the term for voluntary military service in India where civilians can serve in uniform part-time? Correct answer is option C. Territorial Army. Which Indian military operation annexed Goa in 1961? Correct answer is option B. Operation Vijay.